Hi everyone, hope you're okay and hope you've had lots and lots of fun in the snow over the last few days. So today we are practicing our one-hand catching in PE. But first we're going to have a quick recap on our two-hand catching that we've been doing the last few weeks. Now to help us with our recap on our two-hand catching, we're going to use different objects today. So I've got a few here and I'll show you. So I'm going to use today, I've got like a little teddy bear, a little giraffe that's going to help me. I've got a rolled up pair of socks. I've got, if you're looking, you've got a balloon in your house that you can use. Okay, fantastic. A rolled up piece of paper, make a ball. I've also got a tennis ball to help me. And my last object is I've got a scarf. Okay, so we're going to have a quick recap on two-hand catching. So, first of all, what we'd like to do is go around your house, go around school, see if you can find some items that are safe to catch with, maybe similar ones to me. So press pause on the video, go and have a quick look for some items, and when you're ready to start, press play. Excellent, good. Now with your items, okay, I want you to find a big space and we're going to spread your items out. So here we go. So I'm going to put my scarf over here. Super, I'm going to put my ball there, put my other rolled up ball here at the front, balloon maybe in the middle. Good, I've got giraffe here, and I'm going to pop my socks at the back over here. Okay, excellent. So spread your items out. So we're going to use all of these items now to help us recap on our two-hand catching. So I'm going to start with my scarf. So pick one of your items, and all I would like to do is can we throw and catch the item that you have chosen. Good. So can we throw and catch? Good. Excellent. Keep going. Good. We'll do a few more and stop. Fantastic. Good. Pop that item on the floor, and I want you to pick a new one, and I'm going to pick my balloon this time. Okay. So same again. Can we throw and catch? Now, why do you think my balloon is easier to catch? Have a think. Good. Now, while you're catching, I want you to think about using your eyes. Okay, so we're watching the object all of the time. Okay, we're watching it go up, watching it come back down into our hands. So use your eyes, don't get distracted, don't look somewhere else because it might drop on the floor. Okay, use your eyes. Okay, and stop. Good, pop that item on the floor. Good, I'm going to pick a new one now. So I'm going to use my socks. So here we go. Can I use my eyes? Can I throw and catch? Excellent. Good. Lovely. Now this time, try and keep your hands close together so it doesn't drop through the middle. So keep your hands nice and close. Excellent. And stop. Super. Well done. Pop that item on the floor and pick the new one. So I'm going to go from a rolled up ball of paper. You ready? And go. So use your eyes, keep your hands close to each other. This time spread your fingers out. Make your hands nice and big, so spread your fingers out. Super, excellent. And stop. Excellent work, good. This time I'm going to pick my tennis ball. So again, you pick an item and an object. You ready? So I'm using my eyes, I'm going to spread my fingers out, keep my hands close together. Good, keep going. This time I'm going to give it a little squeeze when I catch it so it stays in my hands. Good. And one more. Fantastic, good. And my last item is my little giraffe, my little toy. So here we go. You ready? Go. Now when we catch this time, can we stay really close to our object? So we might need to use our feet to help us stay close. We don't want to be reaching because we might drop him. Okay, so keep your body close to your object. Excellent, and stop. Super, good. So that is like a quick recap on our two-hand catching for the last few weeks. So what I would like to do, we don't need all of these items now, okay, for our one-hand catching. So pick which one you would like to use. I think really you should be using your teddy or a small thing. So it could be the pair of socks, or your teddy, small teddy might be good for catching, okay? So, all the other items, I want you to put them safely away so we don't trip over them. Good. So I'm going to choose my giraffe to help me today. So here we go. Now for your one hand catching, put the toy or your item in your favourite hand and the other hand goes behind your back. And we're going to do a small throw to our head, and can we catch with one hand? Excellent, just a small throw to help us with one hand catching. Lovely, if it drops on the floor, don't worry, pick it back up, keep going. And stop, super, good. I want you to swap hands this time, so put the other hand behind your back, and now can we catch with the other hands? Doing a small throw, super, good. Excellent, good, and stop. Well done. Now this time, with one hand catching, we can use all of the skills that we use with our two hand catching. So things like using our eyes, spreading our fingers out and squeezing with one hand. So we can do that with just our one hand. So let's have a go. So put your item in your favourite hands, and can we look at it, and can we give it a squeeze, and can we spread our fingers out? Excellent, super, and good, excellent. Swap hands for me, might be a little bit harder this time. So use your eyes, spread your fingers out and squeeze. Excellent, good, and stop, lovely. Right, if you found that easy, this time we're going to challenge ourselves. Can we throw it a little bit higher? So back in my favourite hand, this time I'm going to throw it just a little bit higher. Excellent, good. Now remember, want to try and stay close to the item, like we did with our two hand catching. Okay, so maybe you might use your body to help you with your catching this time. Whoops, oh, Mr. Eaton's blocked. Excellent. And swap hands for me, have a go in the other hand. Can you throw it a little bit higher? Excellent, stay close to your object. Excellent. And stop, good work, well done. Super. Now, so it's all about using your eyes. Spread your fingers out on your one hand, squeeze when we catch. Okay? Now this time, okay, looks like juggling a little bit, so I want you to put your two hands out in front of you, okay? And I want you to see if you can throw with one hand and catch with the other. So throw with one and catch. Throw and catch. Don't do this, because that's not throwing or catching, that's passing it to one hand to the other. So can we throw it up and catch, up and catch. Good, super. You watch your teddy, watch your item and squeeze. Okay, excellent. So throw it up and catch, up and catch. Good, well done, lovely, good catching, well done everybody. Good. Now this time, okay, I'm going to really challenge you now this time. So what we're going to do, remember that clapping that we tried last time, but we've got to try and do it exactly the same, but we're only allowed to catch with one hand. So last time we clapped and catched with two hands. This time, can I clap with two, but catch with one? That's tricky, isn't it? So clap with two and catch with one. Clap with two and catch with one. Really tough, okay? See if you can have a go. See if you can clap with two hands and can you catch with one hand? Excellent. Have a few more goes. So clap with two and catch with one and stop. Excellent. Right. Good job. Well done everybody. So we're going to finish our catching there today. You can carry on practicing if you want to. Pretty hard with one hand, so you might need a little bit more practice. Okay? Keep sharing your videos, keep sharing photos, any comments. I do enjoy reading them on Seesaw. I'll see you in your next lesson. Bye bye.